read them, because whoever you have first block, we're going to give them 2 blocks to complete the text, because we want them to complete both reading and math. Please begin the test no later than 8:15. Of course, if you get everything you need before 8:15, that is completely fine. But we want to start no later than 8:15 because we're going to have to get the vocational students go to vocation at 11:15. Also, allow students to complete reading first, and after students have completed reading, we'll do math. Okay. So we'll do reading first, and then we'll do math. Okay, I'm going to stop for sharing my screen. Miss Williams, is Miss Williams? Okay, she's on here. Now, Miss Williams, is there anything else that I may have omitted that you may need to tell them? Oh, and Miss Williams also shared with me a testing script. I forgot to share. Testing script right here is something that you all can use as well, and I will I think she sent it to you already, but that's something that you can use to help give out the verbal instruction to them. And I think the only thing I'm going to need to know is, do you have enough Chromebooks or laptops in your first block class to be able to give every student in your first block class a computer so that they can take it? Does anybody not have enough for their traditional students first block?
I'm using the Amsci computer lab.
Okay, so I need you, the coach who has to give the test, I'm going to need you to go to the library and I'm going to have Coach Moody in the computer lab that day, okay? This is first block. Okay.
I do not. You traded me a Chromebook for a laptop, and the laptop is not connected to the internet.
So how many are you going to be?
I'm short one.
So you'll need one. Let me make a note that you need one so I can go find one from somebody I already gave the test out. Okay. All right. Is there anybody else that does not have Miss Lawson? I'll go back over what I just went over with them in just a second. Is there anybody else that will not have enough devices in order to get a traditional student test first block? Okay. Miss Williams, is there anything you need to share that I did not cover?
I think you basically covered everything, but also with that testing script that you just showed them, Ms. Jessie, there are some more forms with that. They can go on and sign, bring up there and sign over that. It's just like what we usually do at the beginning of the school year. If they could go on and sign those and have those returned to me or you tomorrow, to me tomorrow.
All right, and are you going to give them the 19 number information? You already did that.
I'm going to give them, if the teachers need the 19 number, I will get provided. I have them copy here, and I will provide this to them today or first thing in the morning.
Okay, let's just do it. All right, with Ms. Lawson, I need to stay on the end, like go back over everything. But everybody else, anything else or questions, concerns you have, we won't do the test till Monday. We still have time. But is there anything else while we're online?
Dependent students on our first block home, we need to contact them to make sure they're available to take the Scantron test that way.
Yes, because they're usually not on your Zoom calls when y'all do it, are they?
No.
Okay, so good thing that we're telling you out now. So yes, you have independent virtual students. Send them the link and make sure they're also online and let them know what time so that they can take the test. Anyone else?
So, when they finish one section, are they free to move to the next section, or do we have to hold them?
Just have them go ahead to the next section.
Okay.
Anyone else? Okay. If not, Ms. Lawson, I need you to stay on, but not the rest of y'all can go ahead and log off. Or anybody else that came in late and get something, feel free to stay on so I can go back over. Okay. For the ones remaining, All right, so basically, this is what you probably want to post in your Google Classroom. Ms. Lofton, this is the Scantron login directions. You gonna have them go to this website. If you post it for them, they should be able to just click on and go directly there. Under there, it'll say file testing. They click on that link, it will take them to the Scantron test. The student ID, Ms. Williams is gonna provide you with a hard copy of that. That's simply their 19 number, and then the site ID is available here also. All these things is just everybody's gonna basically take the test inside of their classroom with their first block student. We're gonna do reading and math first block on Monday. We're gonna hold the bell. We're gonna do first and third block to take the test. Makeup test, you won't have to worry about giving that. We're only gonna just use y'all on Monday for the initial test. And then some suggestions on how to administer the Scantron. Post the login information to your students in advance and provide them with their 19 number. Create a Zoom or a Google Meet link because we're supposed to monitor the students and we're going to encourage them to keep their camera on while they complete the test. And this will be both your virtual and traditional students. So that includes the independent, the supported, and the traditional students. Be sure to provide a list of your students who do not log in or show up to take the test. For those students who do not complete a part, also let us know that so we can have a good list when we do the makeup test on next Tuesday. Students will have both first and third block to complete the test. If you get everybody situated before 8:15, feel free to start before then. However, we're going to try to start no later than 8:15 because we want to give them as much time as possible to complete both parts. Allow your students to complete reading first, and then after that, the students will complete math. And if they finish reading, they can go straight to math. And the testing script is also what Ms. Williams provided. She sent an email, and I guess I didn't know she had this other stuff too. But there's some more documents that she's going to want you all to sign and take that to her as well. And, oh, hey, Mr. Smith. You know you came on. I'm going to turn my presentation thing off. All right, now my last question was for everybody, because I know we have some traditional students here. Do you have enough Chromebooks or laptops for the students in your first block so that they can complete the Scantron? This is for your traditional students that's here.
I need one more.
One more, okay. Making them leave. All right. So anybody else need a Chromebook or a laptop? You don't have enough devices so you can test your first block student. Okay, good. So everybody, so maybe it's one if you slip use one. And I'll try to get that to you all probably Friday. Because what I'll do, I'll just put somebody that I already gave a 9th grade test and I'll give it to you Friday, just in case they meet you tomorrow for their class. All right. Anything else, Ms. Williams? Thank you, Mr. Smith.
No, ma'am, you did cover that other part. And just, like you say, keep a list, and I'm going to try to keep that list of those students that did not log in or did not take a test. That's what I'm doing now. Talk to parents that did not, students who did not take a 9th grade test. I'm calling them today, trying to inform them again to, all gone in the morning during that makeup time. So please encourage them to take the test to Monday. Thank you.
All right. Anybody have any questions or concerns? And not like I said, we won't be giving tests out until Monday. So you'll have time if you think of something tomorrow or Friday to ask about. And I'll work on getting those devices for those 2 teachers.
And I will be giving out your 19 number today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow because everybody's getting ready to leave now. Tomorrow morning. And if you want it today, I have it ready.
All right, then. Well, I thank you all for taking the time out to join us. I'm not going to hold you. I know you can leave at 3:20. All right, bye.
All right.
Because I have been on the computer all day long and I ain't trying to protect my eyes. Because I've been on a computer all day long and I'm trying to protect my eyes. All right. Seeing that the meeting just took place, it looks like most of the items were forwarded from Ms. Williams or Ms. Jessie as pertains to the Scantron Performance Series because all the students have a test. So just make sure you go back and review your video. Okay. All right.